Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to know exactly how your online store is performing without paying for expensive tools? In this video, I'll show you how to use the built-in analytics and sales reports in WooCommerce. First, make sure you're using a recent version of WooCommerce. In your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce Greater Than Analytics. This opens your main analytics dashboard. Here you'll see key metrics right away: total sales, net sales, orders, and average order value. Use the date picker in the top right to analyze specific periods. Like this month versus last month, click on revenue to see a detailed graph of your sales over time. You can break it down by day, week, or month. For product level insights, go to the products report. This shows your top selling and worst selling items, so you know what to promote or discontinue. Check the customers report to see if you're gaining new customers or relying on repeat purchases. For a quick snapshot, the overview report gives you performance compared to the previous period. All this data helps you make smart decisions about marketing, inventory, and sales strategies, and that's it. WooCommerce's free analytics give you powerful insights to grow your store. If you check your reports, let me know what your best-selling product is in the comments. See you in the next one.